Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I have prepared some delicious salmon steaks. And you know, every time I do some cooking adventures, I want you guys to join me. So I made these delicious salmon steaks on my Power Smokeless grill. If you guys would like to know how I made these delicious salmon steaks on my Power Smokeless grill, then let's get into this video. But first, hit that red button, that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. And I have to let you guys know, I want to see you in the comment section. Let's get it. Let's go. The salmon that I have is very thin. It's not a thick salmon cut steak. It's very thin. So it's not going to take long to cook. I probably say it's going to take less than 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes to cook these thin salmon that I have. If you had thick salmon, then it probably would take you about 8 minutes in total to 10 minutes to cook on a grill. Okay, so what I'm going to use to make these salmon that I have on my Power Smokeless grill is I have 3 salmon thin steaks. I am going to use some ground black pepper. I'm going to use some Tony Saturate's Creole Seasoning. I'm going to use some garlic powder. I'm going to use some onion powder. I am going to use some hot sauce. I have a half a cup of hot sauce. And I have a half a cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to use some olive oil on my salmon steaks and my grill so that my salmon doesn't stick to my Power Smokeless grill. And I am going to use some lemon juice as well. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do, you guys, is I am going to season both sides of my salmon. Okay, and it's not going to take much to season the salmon. You're going to season both sides the same way. Going to put in some black pepper. Okay, we're going to use our Tony Saturate's Creole Seasoning. Okay. I didn't mean that. It's going to fall off when I flip it over anyway. And we're going to use some garlic powder. Okay. We're going to use some onion powder. Like so. Okay, you guys? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to season the other side of my salmon the same way, okay? I have to be careful with this salmon because it feels like it's going to break, you guys. Salmon is very fragile meat to use, okay? So now, let me go ahead. I took that glove off because I touched the salmon with it. Okay, so now I'm going to season the other side with the same seasoning. Be careful not to put too much of seasoning on there, okay? Okay, so now you guys, I'm going to mix my hot sauce and my brown sugar in a bowl together. This will be our sauce that we're going to put over our salmon steaks as it grills, okay? This is the sauce. This is a spicy and sweet salmon steak. We're going to add some lemon juice to this, okay? Just take your lemon, squeeze it over the juice. Okay, as far as that seed is, I can get that out with my fork. This together, like so. Okay. Okay, everyone, so I have my Power Smokeless Grill heating up. I'm going to heat it up to 350 degrees. It flashes, you guys, while it's heating up. Right now, it has heated up to about 200 degrees. Once it comes to 350 degrees, we'll be ready to place our steaks on our grill. I did spray my grill with some olive oil and so that my salmon doesn't stick, and I also sprayed the salmon with the olive oil as well. Okay everyone, so my Power Smokeless Grill has heated up to the 350 degree mark. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get ready to go ahead and place my salmon on the grill. Okay, this is the side that I have sprayed the olive oil on, so I'm going to lay this one down first. Okay, the other one I have to be careful with because it seems like it wants to break. That's two. And here is our third salmon steak. And I think because they're so thin, it's not going to take long for these to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place my lid down. And I'm going to allow these to cook, I say about 2 minutes or 3 minutes per side. Okay. Once this has cooked in our Power Smokeless Grill, the salmons have cooked for 3 minutes on one side. I'm going to come back and turn it over to the other side. Okay, you guys, so now it's time for me to turn these salmon steaks over. It smells good. I don't smell any burnt smoke or anything. The salmon steaks, as you can see, didn't stick. So let me go ahead and flip them over. You can see we have some grill marks. This is a great way to make some salmon when it's raining outside and you can't get outside and actually cook on the grill like you want to. As far as I'm concerned, this is a great grill, you guys. So now I'm going to allow these to cook for 3 minutes on the other side and we should be done, okay? And I'll be back, you guys, with these salmon steaks in 3 minutes once they're done. Okay, you guys, we're going to add our sauce to our salmon steaks. During this process of it cooking these last few minutes, what you'll do is you'll get your brush or a spoon and you're going to coat it like so. Okay? Just rub it on there. Oh, this smells good. It doesn't even need the sauce the way that it smells. That seasoning just, ooh, it's blowing my mind. It smells so good, y'all. Okay. So just coat your steaks like so. And the spray that I use, the olive oil spray, it has 0 calories. And as you can see, our salmon steaks are not even sticking. Okay. So this should be done in about 2 more minutes. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. My steaks are done. I'm going to get ready to take them off of this grill. I'm going to turn this Power Smokeless Grill off. Okay. I am going to unplug it. And I'm going to go ahead and plate these steaks. See that, you guys? Woo. Turned out wonderful. It's not dried out. And it did not stick at all, you guys. You see that? It didn't stick. So this is a great indoor grill. This Power Smokeless Grill that you can use to make you some delicious salmon steaks on. And you don't have to worry about it sticking if you just go ahead and use some spray. Light spray. Okay, you guys. Voila. Look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? I'm going to go and throw some sauce on this and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, here it is. Our delicious, spicy, and sweet grilled salmon steaks cooked on our Power Smokeless grill. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I made these delicious salmon steaks on this Power Smokeless grill. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time Cooking with TK uploads a video. Thank you and have a great day, and hope to see you in the comment section.